In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sneaker keychain using Shrinky Dinks. First, get some Shrinky Dinks. You'll need some sandpaper, some Sharpies, an assortment of color pencils. And once you have those, you'll need a template of a shoe that you want to copy. You'll place that template underneath your sanded Shrinky Dink paper. Sand the top of it, and then place the image on the bottom. You're going to use a Sharpie to trace the outline of the sneaker of your choice, sharpening all of those details. I like to use black. You could really use any color you want. Once you're done sharpening the outline of all of the details, then you can use a combination of Sharpie and color pencils to layer in color. And I like to make mine really colorful so that they stand out, but you can color them however you want to. So once you're done coloring, then it's time for baking. You're going to preheat your oven to 325 and line a cookie sheet with tinfoil. Then you'll place it into the oven, and the Shrinky Dink will start to curl a little bit, and then it'll flatten. About 2 to 3 minutes is what it takes, and then you're done.